Hey guys, this is my family here. Make sure to subscribe to be part of the family and comment something down below because I read every single one of my comments. Also, don't skip the ads if you want to help us this out. Hi, I'm at Adeline's right now. I feel like I need to say where I am in every single video because it's confusing. I'm always just switching around. But I'm at Adeline's right now. It's currently, I think, 9 a.m., 10 a.m. I just uploaded my VLOGMAS. It was a morning routine, but today is the day that we go to Big Bear. If you guys haven't watched Adeline's video yet, she adjusted it, and it's not going to be an annual Big Bear trip because I feel like that's what everyone thinks it is, and I totally understand why people would think it's that, just because that's what happens every year. But I just know that there's been like a lot of heat going around, like directed towards me and Brianna, saying that we're not the OGs and stuff like that, which I completely understand. Like, you guys would probably rather have Remy, Lauren, and Alicia go. I mean, like, I would rather watch that too, but that's just not how it worked out this year. So we're just going to have a good time and enjoy ourselves. So it's not going to be something annual, so please don't expect that, and then comment down below that we're not the OGs. I'm very aware, and I absolutely love watching Remy and Alicia and Lauren and, you know, all of them, but unfortunately that's not how it's gonna be this year. But now that I've gotten that out of the way, I just want to say that because I know some people are hating on me. Anyways, this is the mess that I got going on. I really need to figure it out, but first I need to feed Sterling, and second I need to wake up the girls because they haven't been woken up yet. But I feel like a lot has been going on. It's only day 3 and shit's going crazy, but I'm turning 18. As you guys are watching this, it is my 18th birthday. That's crazy to me because I feel like I've been anticipating this my whole life, but as it gets closer and closer, I really don't care. Like, it's crazy that in literally 14 hours I will be 18, but I'm not like excited. I don't know why, but it's weird. Anyways, so yeah, I just feel like I should make a whole video just talking about life updates and stuff like that because I've changed a lot as a person, and what I present on camera is a lot different to what I used to and stuff like that, but I feel like you guys would like that. Would you guys like that? Anyways, let's go wake the girls up. Woo, woo, woo! Good morning! Oh, this is the first morning that I've woken up and I haven't been dead literally in the past 2 days. The past 2 days I've napped the whole fucking time. I don't have COVID though. Don't worry, I'm just tired. Like yesterday in the car when we were going to the ice skating rink, you guys can see in Adeline's vlog, I was just sleeping in the back of her car. Like, I could not function, like I could not speak properly. And the day before that, I napped probably the whole day. And I was just not having it. But today, I think I have some energy. I think I need coffee still though because I'm probably gonna crash midday. I don't know why this keeps happening, but it does. She just uploaded her vlogmas. Brianna's chilling. What are you eating? Oh, wait, what the fuck? Didn't you leave that out?
Oh, I know 2 a.m. It's still good.
2 a.m. girly. It is 11 o'clock. She's like, it kills off all the germs. This is the Starbucks peppermint mocha. I've never tried anything like this. Why is it so thick? I'm gonna try to eat these meatballs that I got because I thought it would have like spaghetti and stuff, but it was just meatballs. So I want to see how good they'll taste. Okay, wait, quick question. Do you guys refrigerate like your bread and your bagels? Because she was like, oh, like it's so weird that you and Brianna don't refrigerate them. And I was like, I don't know anyone that does. She's like, it keeps them fresh longer.
I didn't know you were vlogging.
And we Googled it.
My mom always put the bagels and the bread in the fridge, like.
But your parents also used to wash chicken.
No, my dad told me not to wash chicken.
Wait, then why did you start washing chicken?
I don't know.
She started washing your chicken. She's like, oh, and I was like, Adeline, what are you doing? She's like, I'm washing the chicken. And I was like, you're not supposed to wash your chicken. She's like, why? It makes it clean. I was like, you're spreading bacteria.
People also told me you can't cut chicken on a wood cutting board.
Yeah, because the chicken will seep into the wood and it's harder to clean. We're gonna be the chefs of Big Bear, but maybe you should not deal with the meat. Let's try it. Kind of tastes like I just brushed my teeth and I'm drinking cold hot chocolate. Also, I changed my outfit. This is my outfit of the day. I have this vest from Kiss the Rainbow Shop, and these pants are also from Kiss the Rainbow Shop. They're so cute. I want to start like color coordinating my outfits a little bit more and like doing monochromatic fits. What the fuck, monochromatic fits and stuff like that. But these pants really remind me of like Harry Styles. But yeah, something different today. Okay, I just got the meatballs out of the microwave. I'm kind of scared. All the forks are dirty. I'm using whatever this is. This looks interesting. Like, do I want to eat this? Let's break it in half. Oh my god, that's hot. Maybe I should let them dry a little. Not dry. Cool down. This is so good. You know what's best though? Is the blueberry bagels. Those are the, oh, they hit different. All right, time to try a meatball. I'm fully prepared for this to taste like shit. I'm gonna stick with my bagel. All right, so we organized the rest of the car, took everything out, and we packed everything in, and now,
I mean, last ultimate squad,
but not least, it's the hot tub. A dead at, like a hot tub.
We really should have got this delivered to Big Bear, but
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's so.
Oh, she do take up a lot of
Wait,
room.
let's flip it the other way. Flip it the other way.
Okay.
Yo, she's not fitting.
Back seat.
Mine's useless. I was literally trying to grab it. Got it. Spicy.
Okay,
We got it.
Last but not least, ooh. To be honest, we just squished everything everywhere else. This Tesla has so much room.
Yeah.
Like this would not have fit in the range, I'm gonna be honest.
Really, you think?
Yeah, 10 out of 10 guys. Close it up. Moment of truth.
It's close.
Oh, it's squeak for me. Oh, and we're going. Road trip!
Road trip!
Alright, bye-bye, Brianna.
Bye.
Group P, how are you ladies doing? Can I get a Vlogmas? Woo, Group P's goals. Amazing, refreshing, exhilarating. Anyways, maybe I should talk to you guys when I'm out of the bathroom. You know what, I'll do that. Me just trying to dry my hands. This is me drying my hands. You better stop! Ew, get off. Okay, so currently we're at Target shopping for groceries and stuff, just fresh food. I'm assuming that we're just gonna be making food, so we're gonna need eggs. Let's grab some strawberry cream cheese for them. And then also probably fruit. Why are none of these pizzas on sale though? Fuck. You know, just in case we get bored and hungry. Do they not sell cucumbers? I'm so confused. Like I can't find cucumbers anywhere, or like whole tomatoes. I'm so confused. Why is everything in just plastic? I don't get that either. They said, oh my god, we gotta make dinner, we gotta make dinner. They said, let's buy some grilled chicken breast strips that are only 340 grams for fucking like $7.99 or whatever. They said already seasoned. Do you guys know how fast it is to cook chicken?
We have no seasoning. We have no seasoning.
Oh my god, seasoning's like $2. They're trying to argue with me to buy these, which is literally barely anything that is gonna be dry as fuck because it's been cooked 10 years ago. Or fresh chicken breast that takes an extra 10 minutes that'll taste way fucking better. I'm just saying, I always look at the grams whenever I buy things. They're like, it's just extra work to season.
No, it's you have to buy more things.
It's not $2 extra. There's way less in those packs than they are in 4 packs of chicken breast, guys. Y'all wasting your money for what? Y'all are wasting your money. Comment down below. They're wasting their money for what? They're complaining about seasoning even though it's literally $1. I'm sorry, but do you guys understand what I'm talking about? Personally, I just buy the pack of chicken and make it because you can season it any way you want. And it's fresh, not dry, and you save money. But they just say it's convenient. But I'm like, I'll literally cook. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Minced garlic, oregano, salt and pepper.
Oh my gosh. Let's get
She's buying cookie dough.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
This is for Sierra. I don't think she wants to drink wine out of a red Solo cup, so we're gonna get this for her. Shout out to you, Sierra. We're thinking about you. I think we're gonna stop at a Vaughn's to get cucumbers and mint leaf because Target doesn't have that for some freaking reason. Are you kidding me? She just said this bitch doing the most. Hold up what you just held up.
I was just saying that we could get mac and cheese.
So you're saying let's get mac and cheese, but we gotta get the wine glasses to be bougie. Like, also, this bitch is sitting on the display.
This is what I always do.
Honestly,
all the food that we got.
my Vlogmas content for Big Bear is literally just gonna be me cooking. But you guys like it though. I know you guys like it. I'm gonna do a grocery haul when I get home. Not get home. Get to the place. You couldn't wait. But it's safe. This girl picks up a pack of pepperoni and goes, do I want to eat this right now? And then she already opened this and started eating it.
We didn't eat anything. I had a bagel today. Joe's Mexican food.
She went from trying to get Big Bear really fucking fast before the sun went down to, we should stop at McDonald's.
We just bought so much food. Why would we do that?
I really don't understand. Like, I'm concerned for Adeline right now. There's a bunch of snacks in the car. Y'all, I bought salt and pepper, oregano, and garlic powder. She says that's 25 seasoning. Can y'all see how dry this is? Not Adeline's open packages. All right. We just did like a 40-minute drive and we're gonna go get tested again just because obviously we went out and about and stuff like that, so it really didn't count that we got tested. We just wanted to get tested just to make sure. Day 3, day 4, hour 5, hour 6.
I've been standing in the same spot.
Hour 7. We drove all the way here to get a rapid test, but it's literally taking like 2 hours to stand in line.
She's anything but rapid.
Literally, like the sun has gone down. It's gonna be dark by the time we get tested. Putting in the work. We are putting in the work. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I don't know. There you go.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's the next issue?
Come on.
I don't know what to do.
I feel like I'm filming a reality TV show.
Where do we put this?
Oh, is it gonna have to go on my lap or something?
So what's the compromise? There is none. Well, you still have some room, right?
Oh, yes.
I don't know about this one.
I don't know about this
I
one
like
either.
this idea. I
don't think this is gonna work.
No.
I I think he's just gonna have to lean up against it.
I'm really sorry, Brianna.
Honestly, it's still a seat.
I'm sorry.
I feel like I'm filming a reality TV show. Do you guys like this type of vlogging? You know what I feel like right now? I'm the Hollywood fix right now. 3 girls trying to get to Big Bear, but can't because they bought too much fucking shit. Buckle up, bitch.
Don't film me looking for my water bottle.
She lost her water and she said, I'm thirsty. We said, let's just wait to get to Jack and Box. She goes, I'm thirsty. She gets on her hands.
I'm dehydrated.
She gets on her hands and knees and starts looking.
I know what I want and I'm gonna put in the work.
She's putting in the work.
Day in the life. Let's see if you really shot. Send the location. Go further, further, further. We should probably learn the lyrics for after that. Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. And we'll do some caroling. Coding got me tripping.
Currently it's 8 o'clock and we were planning to get there first. We're gonna get there last. We were planning to leave at 12 to 1. We left at like 2:30. We were planning to get there before it got dark. It's currently 8 o'clock.
To be fair, my car needs to be charged. Like, it's not like a gas station where you can just charge it up in 2 seconds. Like, it takes an hour for my car to be charged.
That's not why we were late though. Like we needed to go to Target and charge the car. Like that was perfectly planned.
I don't know why we were late. I think it's a mystery.
You know what? It's fine. You know, Sierra's already there. She just texted us a picture. She's chilling and vibing. I don't know why we're so late. By the time we get there, I'm gonna be 18. That's so weird to say. By the time we get to Big Bear, I might be 18. What the fuck?
Wait, what just happened?
This likes to move and fall on me.
Can I have a root beer?
They have the Caesar salad.
Do you have a Caesar salad?
No.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
The look of disappointment.
Can the curly fries
We're
be
so
the
high
chicken
maintenance.
burger
So bad at
combo?
For what?
I'm sorry, which chicken combo?
Chicken burger? Dude, where is it on the menu?
She's just ordering shit out of her mind. She hasn't even looked at the menu. No wonder why this bitch is so confused. She's like, I'm a chef. I'm gonna create my own Let me go back there and work. She's really putting in the work now. She says, let me work there. We are currently 11 minutes away from Big Bear. All the girls have gotten there already, but I'm excited. We've been blasting some music.
It's freezing. We are not in LA anymore. Oh my god.
I'm really excited. You know what? I was not in like the best mood before, but I'm in a really good mood now. We're blasting music and you know, I've just been thinking in my head, being around Adeline and Brianna, you know, I just get inspired and I'm just thinking already about my 2021 goals. I'll make a whole video about it. But you know, I'll be 18 and literally back home, it's only 30 minutes until I'm 18. But
Still have 3.5 hours.
3.5 hours here. But I'm just thinking, I'm like, next year I want to do so many things and get my shit together. Because this year was a lot of fun for me, not gonna lie, and I didn't have my shit together. But it was fun. But Adeline's been inspiring me lately and I need to get my shit together because she has her shit together.
You should also get a therapist.
They've been telling me this. I've been very aware that I need one, but you know what? You know, I just don't want to find one. We're here!
Wait. I'm excited.
How cute is this?
Wait, let's pretend to rob them. Ready?
Give us all your fucking money!
Wait, this is so fucking cute. We just got to the house, but we need to bring every single thing in. We have so much fucking shit, so let's do it.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing, but bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Alright, so we just finished organizing the kitchen. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour because I know you guys love that shit. But this is the fridge.
I'm gonna steal a rosé real quick.
Oh, okay. So you know, we got all of the alcohol up here, fruits here, we got the eggs and the pink lemonade here, some random ass shit here, all the cheeses in here. Holy f, what we got so much cheese for? All the charcuterie boards are in here. Then we have all the vegetables in here. And all the meat in there. Red Bulls down there, coffee, milk, random ass shit, more coffee, more random ass shit. In the freezer, you know, some pizzas, acai, Eggos, a bunch of alcohol down there, and all this food. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a house tour. Not Adeline taking videos of the vibrators. I have to. I'm gonna do my own MTV cribs. Ready? Hi, welcome to my MTV cribs tour. Alright. Yes. So you know, we have the tree here, nice and festive. We got Sierra editing. We got Adeline taking all the PR pictures. This is the kitchen.
Oh my god.
You know, she folded all the bags for what? Literally for what?
So you can fucking reuse it.
Well, you can just throw them all in the bag. I took out all the cutlery and stuff because the thing is, you need to have it displayed and out of the packaging or else no one wants to use it. And that's how I feel about everything. Same thing with the fridge. You can't just throw shit in the fridge. You guys know I'm a whore for refrigerating. I'm not refrigerating, for fridge organization vids. Over here, there's a room. I don't know whose room this is. Bathroom. Oh, I think this is Brianna's room. She already claimed it. Fuck, I guess I'm sleeping on my bed. You know, we got the outdoors. What is this? Another bathroom. Let's go down. Holy shit. What are these stairs so steep for? The fuck?
Another bathroom in this area. Honestly, I would not mind staying here at all. Like if anything, I high-key want this. That was my daily dose of cardio. Then we got the upstairs. So many stairs in this house. Oh my god. What is this, honey? I'm gonna assume this is Sierra's room. Sierra, is this your room?
That's okay.
I knew it was by the Louis Vuitton. This is her room. I guess she's getting the king bed all to her fucking self, but you know what? She deserves it. Oh my gosh, she got a walk-in closet. And then over here, I'm gonna guess is Tiffany and Mia's room. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, I guess I'm sleeping on the bunk beds. I just opened up these strawberries and why is there blonde hair in it? Like not just a little bit, a lot. What the fuck is this? Y'all see this? Or is this corn?
Yeah.
I ain't never seen this before.
Like hay?
You know what? I'm gonna still eat it anyways. Of course she's eating Lunchables. What the fuck?
I'll make you one. You want one? Get this.
Oh. I changed the song by accident.
Thanks, Mom. T-minus 30 minutes until I'm 18 in LA.
Oh shit! Oh my god.
I can't believe I'm going to know an 18-year-old
I can't believe I'm 9 years old.
You know, we're with Sierra, but you know. But right now we're just hanging out. Tip's been feeding me Lunchables. I haven't had Lunchables since I was like, I think grade 5 or something like that. Adeline was singing into a concert, so I opened this up. This was supposed to be Secret Santa, but I just, hello bitches, what the fuck is up? We're out here at Big Bear. Honestly, we're all getting along. It's so, what's the word called? Sorry, my grammar isn't the best. It's so intimate. I think it's intimate, you know what I mean?
Yeah, like I feel like if there was like way more people, then we'd be having like different conversations at the same time.
Right? But everyone is focused on one conversation at once. It's really nice. Say that again. What are you?
I'm happy.
Oh my god, we love.
Turns 18 in 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Happy birthday! 18. Anyways, this is my vlog. Mine is 18. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe.
Anyways, what the f? This is so weird.
She's
I didn't think it'd be too.
18.
Holy shit. My Snapchat notifications are coming in. Oh my god.
Squish, squish, squish.
The next day.
Dude, I don't know why my lips look like this, but it's the next day. It's actually my birthday now. So, Mia and Adeline in the background. I just want to say thank you to all your guys' birthday wishes. The day that you guys are watching this, literally the morning, is when I'm filming this, and it is my birthday right now. All that I ask from you guys is please subscribe and follow my Instagram because we're actually gonna be doing. There's so much foundation on my lips. And we're gonna do a giveaway where we give away a camera, AirPod Pros, gift cards and stuff. So go follow my Instagram if you guys want to see that. Comment of the day goes to this person here, and shout out of the day for a fan page goes to this person here. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want to be a part of this, again, make sure to follow my Instagram and be active. All right. Anyways, peace.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her.